everyone, my name is Hannah. Welcome back to Wiggle Giggle. Today I'm dancing in the library, which some of you might recognise. So let's make sure that all our toys are put away and we've got a nice big clear space to move. And then when you're ready, let's get warmed up. So let's start getting really warmed up. Let's start with our fingers. Can you give your fingers a little wiggle? Good, and what about a big shake? Very nice. Can you shake them up high? And shake them down to the floor. Over to the other side. And to the side. Good. Can you shake them all around? Very nice. What about a big wave? Can you wave to me? Good morning. Can you hide your hands away? Where have they gone? And can you give me a big wave? Very good. And hide them away. Can you just wave one of your hands? And hide it away. Good. And the other hand, nice big wave. And hide it away. Last time we're going to do both of our hands together. Big wave. Very good. Let's flash our hands out and in. Can you do that one? Fingers come out and in. Very nice. And our final wiggle of our fingers. Maybe you can show me some raindrops. We did some rain in yesterday's session. Raindrops falling with our wiggly fingers. Or you could play the piano with your wiggly fingers. Very nice. Let's change to our feet. So can we give our feet a big shake? Can we shake them from side to side? Maybe it's a bit tricky to balance. Very good. What about stomping? Can we stomp our feet on the floor? Very nice. Can we get them a bit quicker? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Very good. Let's stretch our feet out in front of us. We're gonna stretch up high and then tickle our toes. Very good. And again, stretching up high. Tickle those toes. Tickle, tickle. Very lovely. And one more time we stretch up. And then over to tickle our toes. Good. Let's come up onto our feet now and make our nice little crouch on the floor. Good. I'm going to count to 3. And when I get to 3, we're going to jump up into the air like rockets. We're going to fire up. And here we go then, all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, jumping up. Lovely. Let's go again now that we know what we're doing. Down to our shapes on the floor. 1, 2, 3, jumping up. Well done. We should be nice and warm. So before we talk about our theme today, I've got a little rhyme for us to do. It goes as tall as a tree and as small as a mouse, as thin as a pin, as wide as a house. Let's go through it again. So the first one was as tall as a tree. Can you show me how you can be a really, really tall tree? Up on your tiptoes maybe. Reaching up to the sky. Reach, reach, reach. Very good. The next one was as small as a mouse. How can we make ourselves really, really, really small? Maybe you could be a tiny mouse down to the floor. Very good. The next one was as thin as a pin. How can we make ourselves really, really thin? Really thin like a pin. And then as wide as a house. Can you stretch from side to side and make the widest shape you can? Very good. Let's go for our rhyme again. So as tall as a tree and as small as a mouse, as thin as a pin and as wide as a house. Very nice. We're going to do it one more time all together. Here we go. As tall as a tree and as small today we're going to be thinking about all the beautiful things we see when we look outside in nature. So what do we see when we look outside the window? We might see some tall trees that we've just done. Can you show me a tall tree again? Here's our tall tree on our tiptoes stretching up. Very good. We might also see some sunshine. Like we did in yesterday's weather session, we did a big sunshine movement that went like this. Can you show me your sunshine? Lovely. What else might we see? We might see some grass on the floor, some long grass, swooshing in the wind maybe. We might see some flowers. Can you show me how you would pick a big bunch of flowers for someone? You could pick the flower, gather it in, and again, pick the flower, gather it in. Show me how you can do that. Pick the flower, bring it in. Oh, don't they smell lovely? Who are you going to give them to? Who are you going to give your flowers to? Give them to someone who's dancing with you. Very nice. You might also see outside some birds flying. Maybe some birds flying in the sky. Can you show me how you could fly like a bird? Whoosh, with your big wings. Lovely. Some gorgeous birds there flying. Wow. Very nice. We might also see some leaves. You could see some leaves on the floor, or maybe you might see some leaves on the tree. Now, if you haven't already got a leaf, I'd like you to pause the video now and go and get yourself a leaf from outside. If you can't find a leaf, that's absolutely fine. You could use a bit of scarf or a bit of material, and you can imagine your leaf. So now you should all have a leaf with you, or maybe some material, or if you've got nothing, that's okay. You can imagine having a little leaf with you to dance with today. So my leaf looks like this. It's lovely and green. What colour is your leaf, I wonder? And how does it feel? Is it light? Is it heavy? Is it soft or is it rough? What does it feel like? Let's think about all the different kinds of things we can do with our leaf. So we can throw it in the air. Lovely! Can you throw your leaf up in the air and watch it float down to the floor? Maybe you could throw it and try and catch your leaf. Can you catch your leaf as it falls? Throw and catch. Lovely! What else could we do with our leaf? We could shake it. Can you shake your leaf? Very nice. You could brush it along the floor. Brush your leaf along the floor. Wonder what it feels like against your skin. Can you show me that? Maybe it feels different on your arm, to on your face, to on your feet. How does your leaf feel there? Maybe it's a bit ticklish. Maybe you could use your leaf to tickle someone's toes. What else could you do with your leaf? You could hide behind your leaf. Or you could hide your leaf behind you. Very good. Can you balance your leaf on your head as you walk? Oh, some tricky balances there. Can you balance your leaf? Very good. What about jumping over your leaf? If we put our leaf on the floor, can we jump over it? Jump. Very good. Show me how you can jump over your leaf. Jump. Very nice. One more time. Jumping over. Jump. Good. What else? What other movements can we do with our leaf, I wonder? We could spin with our leaf. Spin it round. Very nice. We could wiggle it down to the floor. Wiggle it down to the floor. Maybe you want to do another throw. Maybe you want to balance it on your leg. Ooh, that's a tough one. Let's have a think about all those different things we can do with our leaf. Very nice. So I'm going to put on a final piece of music and we can explore all those different types of movements that we can do with our leaf or our scarf, all the different places we can put it, we can balance it, but also all the different movements we can do, spins and wiggles down to the floor. Let's just have some fun and see all the different things we can do. Lovely! Wow, and all those different things we could do with our leaf. Very nice. So to finish off today, as we're doing every day this week, we're going to do my favourite song, which is the Teddy Bear Twist. So remember, we need to know 3 different movements for this one. We need to be able to twist side to side, big twists. Very good. We need to be able to shake. Can you show me shaking? Very good. And then we need to be able to wiggle. Can you do a big wiggle? Very nice. And then remember, when the music gets louder and higher, we go low and we get higher, we get higher, we get higher, and then we jump. Very nice. Let's go through it together. Follow me.
Can you do the teddy bear twist?
Come on.
We need to start with our twisting movement.
Are you ready? There's a little dance and it goes like this. Everybody loves to do the teddy bear twist.
Lovely.
It's easy and it's fun and it goes like this. Everybody loves to do the teddy bear twist. Everybody.
Lovely twisting there.
Shaking now.
Shaking is next. Get ready to shake everything.
Can you do the teddy bear shake?
The teddy bear shake. Here we go.
There's a little dance and it's really great.
Yeah. Can you shake your feet?
Do the teddy bear shake. It's
Can you shake your shoulders?
and it's really great. Everybody loves to do the teddy bear shake. Everybody.
Big jump.
Shake.
Very nice.
Shake.
He shakes.
Everybody loves to do the teddy bear shake.
Very good.
Twisting.
We've done
Shaking.
twisting. We've done shaking. What's next?
Time for a teddy bear wiggle.
That's right, it's a wiggle. Here we go, this is our last one.
There's a little dance and it's a real giggle. Everybody loves to do the teddy bear
Do some
wiggle.
wiggles.
It's easy and it's fun and it's a real giggle. Everybody loves to do the teddy
Very
bear
nice.
wiggle. Everybody.
Big jump.
Wiggle.
Very nice, your final big wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle.
Very good.
Wiggle, wiggle. Everybody loves to do the teddy bear wiggle.
Well done. Very well done. There are some lovely wiggles there at the end. Thank you so much for coming to dance with me today. We looked at some lovely different things in nature, didn't we? And we explored all the different ways we could move with our leaf or our scarf. So remember, next week you can order and pick up some movement cards if you want to carry on some of the movements that we've been doing together this week. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for more Wiggle and Giggle.